Alright, ladies and gents, I want us to look at this perspective drawing, engineering drawing, and 3 perspective drawing. So this is the smaller information that it will be prepared for you. So the very first thing that I am going to do is to get a vertical line from here going down. Remember that I've already aligned this drawing paper, using this line, ground line, or this picture plane, so it's aligned. You understand? So you have to align it like this. So from there, this is the top view, isn't it? This is the top view, then this is the right view. So which means this was given in third angle orthographic projection. So this line is vertically down, it's going down. So remember, we are drawing a perspective without dimension. So this is the smaller information prepared for us. So let's go. Let me look for the question. So this was the question. This question must be answered on a prepared A4 answer sheet and attached to a drawing sheet when you are submitting. You understand? So that's what they were saying. Use the information shown on the prepared answer sheet attached to the question paper, isn't it, to draw a neat 2-point perspective view of a machine block. Point A is situated in line with the center vision and up against the picture plane. Line AB vanishes to the right at an angle of 30 degrees. The distance of an eye in front of picture plane is 100 millimeter. No hidden details, it is necessary. So which means if you put them, they are not going to penalize you. So the dimension that we want here is 100 millimeter. So then let's do it. Then from there, so there is our 100 millimeter. So that's giving us SP, stand for stationary point. Then this one is giving us CV, stand for center vision. The one that they were talking about there by the question. So from here till here is 20 millimeter, which it was not given from the textbook, but you are going to remember that we always separate our views with 20. This 20 millimeters is actually coming from orthographic projection, and confirm it with your engineering drawing textbook. From picture plane to HL, because this is not okay. This is supposed to have HL here and picture plane there, you understand, and the ground line, which is this one, you understand. So the center vision point is that one, so the ground point is this one, so this one is SP, stand for stationary point. So now what we are going to do, the very first line that we're going to get is to have this line at an angle of 30, which means it's parallel it's parallel to this one, it's parallel to this one, AB, understand. So once it touch the picture plane, it's gonna go vertically down there. So this is going to be vanishing point of your right hand side. Then this side, if this is 30, automatically this one's supposed to be 60, isn't it? So that they add up to what? To 90. So from here, from SP, isn't it, there it goes. Once it touch horizontal, it's gonna, picture plane is gonna go vertically down. So there it is. Then this is vanishing point of my left hand side. Right, then from there I am going to take this point to vanishing point both left and right, and this is the ground line, isn't it? So if we were to able to label this AB there by our right view, so this A is going to be here, understand it? This B is going to be here, understand? So here this A is good as if it's right there, you understand? So to get the B somewhere there, we are going to take this point A to vanishing point of your right hand side, there it goes, and to vanishing point of your left hand side, there it goes, faint. Then from there, what are we going to do? Let's consider the height. So which means we are as good as if we are here, we are going to go up, you understand? From the right view we go up. So you take this point, once to touch SPCV line, you stop. I'm gonna take it faint horizontal. Once touch the center vision stationary point, is gonna go to my vanishing point of my left hand side, like this, and right hand side, like this we go. So then, which means from here till there, it has to be solid. That goes, you know, it's solid, which means it's from here till there, you understand? So now to get the point B, that one, we are going to take this point to stationary point. Stationary point faint, there it is. Once it touch the picture plane line, it's gonna go vertically down, you understand? So which means this B is right there, the first derivative of point B. So now I can have it dark from here till there, you understand? If you go back to your right view, this height from here till here seems to be the same as from here till there. Let's double check. Yes, it is the same, it is the same. So which means from here till there is going to be dark. You understand? So now from here till there is this one, from there till there. How did you got it? There it goes, that goes from there, it's the bottom, isn't it? So to move up is this one, there you go, from here is that point. So which means if I want to move from here till here, it's good as if I'll be moving from here till somewhere there. So cross check that with your top view, you understand? With your top view, which means this point that you're supposed to take is this one, from here till there, if you want to get that one, you understand? So take it, there it goes. Once touch picture plane, vertical down, there it goes. So from here till there, which is this one, from here till here, so there it is. So I am going to have it dark, you understand? So I hope you can see, because this watermark is disturbing us, but then I'm trying to point what is I'm drawing. So now if I move from here till there, which means I must take this height horizontally. Once it touch the line of CV SP, I can stop. So it's gonna go to my vanishing point of my right hand side, vanishing point of my left hand side. So there you go. So like this we go. So which means now I can move from here till there, not here, till there, dark. There you go. understand? So now I can move from there till there by our right, which means it's from here till there. You understand? So take the point to your stationary point. There you go. Then from there you go vertically down, so which means is this one and not the bottom one, it's the upper one, isn't it? Which is this one, dark till there. So now I have to go down because it's good as if we're here, isn't it? So to go down, you're gonna take this point. There you go. Once it touch center vision SP line, go to vanishing point, my left hand side and my right hand side. There you go. So from here till there I can have it solid now. There it is. Understand? So now I can have this one like this. Which one is this one? It's this one from there till there. You understand? So take this point to vanishing point of your left hand side. There it goes. And take this one to vanishing point of your left hand side. There it goes. This one as well to vanishing point of your left hand side. Even though they are talking about the bottom part of your drawing. So from there we can now approach to expose the width or the left side of it. Understand? Because this is the top, this is the right view. So take this point to stationary point. There it goes. On the touch picture plane, vertically down. There you go. So I am going to have this one from here till the solid. You understand? So it's going to correspond with this one from here till here. So from here till there is dark. And there you go. Then from there I am going to get a point somewhere there. So you have to take this point to vanishing point of your left hand side, this one. So if I take this point to vanishing point of my left hand side, it's good as if I'm moving from here to this point that I'm looking for. You understand? So take it. There you go. So along this point, along this line, I must get to that point. So the point that I'm looking for is this one. So I am going to take it to stationary point. There it goes. Once it touch picture plane, it's gonna go vertically down. So there it is. So I've got a point. There it goes, isn't it? So yeah, it's this one. So now I can join this one. Understand? So it's gonna go vertically up. So take this one to vanishing point of your left hand side. There you go. So I can just go vertically up. It's that one, isn't it? Which will correspond, it's corresponding with this one. There it goes. Then now take this point to vanishing point of your, even before that you draw this one dark, and you can come back to draw this one dark now, so that we can see where we are head to. dark. A1. So now from here till there, faint. There you go. And now take this one to vanishing point of your left hand side. There you go. So I can draw it dark till here. Understand? So that from here till here, dark again. So now I can come back to have this one dark from here till there. Have it dark. Yes. So that is it. So then you don't forget to take this paper when you're done in the examination room. It has to be attached with the drawing sheet, which means you and I, like now as we're talking, we're not supposed to have this, which means whosoever was given this in the examination center, this candidate did not attempted this topic, you understand? Was not supposed to have it most. So I don't know, you can able to see what was happening here, since it's having this watermark. So it was simple, that was simple, straightforward. So thank you very much guys for watching. That was Mr. Nkosi. See you on the next video. Okay.